Hi, this is Robin. I'm going to show you how to make a movie for one of your listings. I'm going to use this one as an example. Before we had this shutdown, I was able to do an actual video, put up my signs, and get it uploaded to Flex with my the information that I had, the video, photos, and everything. But if you haven't had a chance to go make an actual video, I'm going to show you how to make one just with your photos that you have. Are you stuck in your house? Do you have time on your hands? Do you have internet? What are you waiting for? Make a movie. And you can get extra search engine optimization too, but you know what? We'll go to that later. Let's click on this listing. And you can do this for any listing. Click on the photos and you're going to see three areas here. These are the media tabs. So the first one are, the photos. Then the next one is videos. And I've uploaded this one to the AMPI YouTube channel because I want to be in compliance. Because the board a few months ago approved this process because it's unbranded. It's only branded with the AMPI YouTube channel, and we can take care of that in a little bit. You cannot upload it to you can upload it to your personal YouTube channel, but that's branded. You can certainly have that, but you can't use that code to put it into the Flex. So what the board agreed on, and we also, I sent out an email probably about 3 or 4 months ago letting everyone know that you can do this. So let's see. And then the third tab is virtual tour. That comes from your Point Two or any other virtual tour program that you have. So we're going to focus on video. And even though this is an actual video and it has music, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now this is an actual moving video which I shot, but there's an upstairs. This is all actual video. I walked through the house. And when I didn't go upstairs, I didn't take a video upstairs, but what I did was shoot some still photos and then I put a title page at the end, unbranded. Okay? All right, now I'm going to show you how you can do it with those still photos. Okay. Now, sorry, Mac people, I don't have a Mac, but I have a PC. So we have Movie Maker. So if someone with a Mac wants to do a training, that'd be awesome for the Mac users. Okay, you're going to go to do your search, and you're going to type in Movie Maker. You're going to click on your Movie Maker. Now it's ready to make a movie with your still photos. So click Add videos and photos. And I've chosen these 8 photos. So let's start with one that has a cool view. Double click, there's your first one. You click add videos or photos. Let's click this one. And let's say you want to say, oh, I don't care what order they're in. You can reorder them later, but I'm not going to do that now, but you can play with this. So click on the first one, hold down your control key, click the next one, next one, next one, next one, next one, that one. Maybe there's a double in there. We're going to find out. Yep, there's a double in there. So just click on the double right there and delete that one. Okay, next step is automatically it defaults to 7 seconds apart from each other. And you want to reduce that because people's attention span is, they know how to pause if they want to see a part of this video. So you click on the first one, you click edit, you reduce it to, I'm going to do it to 2. Next one, reduce it to 2. So I'm going to do these edits 2 seconds apart on each one, duration 2 seconds apart. 2 seconds apart. And the last one, that's a nice photo. So maybe I'll do it 4 seconds. Let it sit for 4 seconds so they can enjoy the view a little bit longer. Okay? Now go back to the beginning. Then I click home. And now I'm going to make a title. So I'm going to click on title. And that's what it looks like at the beginning. So I'm going to choose a background color. I'm going to make it this blue. I'll click on this, and you can go in here and play with it and edit the text, make it different colors and all that. But right now it just defaults to white. So let's say I make the background color even a darker blue. Nope, that wasn't darker blue. How about a dark purple? Isn't that pretty? So the white pops, but you can do any combinations of background color and edit text. So play with it on your own. Now you can also adjust the type of font and the size. So let's delete what's here and type in oceanfront home for sale, Rocky Point, Choya, whoops, fix that, Choya Bay. Okay, that all doesn't look very good. So you can drag this and you can drag this, and there's lots of space here if you want to put more on your personal channel. So hit the enter button. You can put your email here. You can put your website here, blah blah blah.com. But we're not going to do that on this one. But you can do that for your regular ones on your branded video, on your personal YouTube channel. Now, if you highlight, drag, click on this and drag it. And let's say we want to use a different font. I like using Arial. And let's say we use 28. Oh, that's kind of small. So then you go to 48. Okay, that looks fine to me. So you click on this and you hit enter, kind of center it. Oceanfront home for sale, Rocky Point, Choya Bay. Kind of do some, make it kind of centered. Okay, that looks good. Play with that. Okay, this also has a text duration. You don't want that title page to last for 7 seconds. So let's just put that at also, let's say just 2 seconds. And you can play with this. So let's say you want to check it out. So you're at the very beginning. You click play. And see how it's going longer? There's another area. See, those are going 2 seconds. So click on this and click edit and put in 2. There's 2 places that it wants that 2 seconds there. Okay, now let's go back to home. So you can go in here and play with it. Now go to the end, click on the last photo, and let's give you another page, another title like that. Click title, and look what it did. Put it on the other side of the last photo. Click on it. Let's make the background color, I don't care, orange. Oh, oof. Let's just do this blue, okay. And just type in here whatever you want, like that, okay? Do the same thing, Choya Bay, Oceanfront, Sandy Beach Resort, Las Palomas, Cordoba 103, whatever it is that you want to type it here. And then do all your editing here, like we did a little while ago, okay? Let's say we want to keep that. So you click on that one, see where it says text duration? Let's make that 3. Click on this one, click on play. Remember we made that one 4 seconds? And this is kind of long. That defaults at 7. Let's click on it. Remember I said there was 2 places? Click edit. Click it. What did we say before? Make it 3? Make it 3. What the heck? Okay. Make it 3. So you click on this one. You click play. That's the final slide. Nice view. And then poof, reminding them again, this is for sale. You can make these consistent colors. Doesn't matter. Okay, start at the beginning. You've made your movie. It is ready. However, now if you want to add music, go to home. You click on add music. This is what you're going to want to do. I'm going to minimize my screen, open up a new browser, and type this in. I found a place a long time ago. It's called bensound.com. It's free, free, and it's royalty free. So it's royalty free, free music. So let's say you want to, you looked at your, bring the movie back up, and you have 23 seconds in this movie. So you can make it longer. Let's say you made it a 3-minute movie with all your photos. You go back to, let me find the, where'd he go? Where'd that Ben sound go? Oh, he's disappeared. There he is. So you go to bensound.com, and all they ask is that you give them the credit. And I'll do that. I handle that once you give me this, and I'll put it in the AMPI YouTube page. I will do that. But for your own YouTube, you want to absolutely agree to that and do it. But remember, if you did a 3-minute video, find something that's at least 3 minutes. This one wouldn't work. It'll work for the one today, of course. But let's say we click on this one. Let's see if we like it. But make sure you have enough time here. If you made a 3-minute video, just look at the times. Like, that would qualify, that would qualify. Let's click on the cat one. Okay, that's cute. Let's click on the ukulele one. I like that one. There's all these different types. There's hundreds of them in here. So click download, because this is only what, 20, like a very short video. So this is plenty of time. So click download. You can purchase, or you can agree to put this in your YouTube channel in your description, but you got to give this guy the credit. So click download, and it's done. It's downloaded into your computer. Okay, so I'm going to X out of him, get back to the movie maker, make sure you're at the front title page. Now you add music here. Now, if you don't want to add music until here, you can click add music at the current point, but we don't want to do that. We want to do it at the very beginning. So click add music, and it's already in your downloads. What was it called? Ukulele. Okay. So it automatically goes into your downloads. So you click on ukulele, or double click it, or click open. Poof, it's there. Now you want to see what you've created? You click on that, and you click on play. Okay, was it this one? Edit? Or was it this one? No, it was this one. Okay, just want to make sure it's a little bit longer. Okay, so are you happy with the video? I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the movie. So I'm going to save it. This is what you do next. You click that, and you're going to save project as. Just put it on your desktop. Save as type Movie Maker Projects, and just put Choya Movie, whatever it is you want to type, and save it. Now you're going to send it to me. And when you send it to me, you're going to email it to me, Robin, rockypointampi@gmail.com. What I will do next is I will upload it into the AMPI YouTube channel. I will send you the code, and I will show you how to upload it into Flex. Okay? All right. That's just a very basic movie, and you can turn that into video while you're stuck at home, as long as you got internet and time on your hands. Thank you.